Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. In this video I'll show you how to schedule post in WordPress. I want to add a post and set a schedule for it. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on post, click on add post. Very first I have to give add title. So I open this site forward dummy text and I want to give dummy text. So copy this title and paste here, then again click on this plus icon and select paragraph and select this text for the body text, copy it and paste it. From the right side you can see two tabs are showing, post and blog. You have to ensure post tab is selected and click on featured image. I want to give it, then set featured image. You can see status draft and published immediately. If you want to set a schedule a post, then click on immediately. Then you can set date from here. I want to publish this post in 1st July, so click and select month July, then this is the 1st July. Okay, then click in any blank space. I click just here. Then very top right side you can see schedule is showing, click on it, then again click on it. You can see this post scheduled. Okay, just close and check. Again navigate to the post tab and you can see published 1st July 2025. If you want, then you can check it from the admin dashboard as well. So go to the admin dashboard and go to the all post. This is the post and you can see it shows scheduled. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.